bacon cheeseburger bites. So I put some ground beef in a bowl and I just pressed in a clove of garlic for extra flavor. And then for more flavor, just a couple dashes of Worcestershire. I'm also adding salt and pepper. That is a pretty simple mixture, but Hallie and I just love burgers for what they are. They're natural beauty. Okay, that's all mixed together. So I'm gonna pinch about 1/6 of the mixture and I'll just make a little miniature patty. And I'll just kind of form it in a pretty thick patty. It's pretty much a meatball that's been flattened a little bit. Okay, that is one cute little patty. Now I'm gonna form 5 more. Now I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'll put these in the fridge and they'll be ready to cook later. I cooked 4 slices and it's just perfect. Not too crisp and not too chewy. The bacon is actually for the bacon cheeseburger bites and for the potatoes. 4 pieces, that's not too much for 2 of us. Okay, now I'm gonna add the patties to the skillet. They are so cute, and I'm gonna cook them right in the skillet that I cooked the bacon in. These are so small, and that's gonna make sure they have plenty of flavor. Okay, now I just have to let these cook. They'll take about 5 minutes on the first side, so you just have to be patient. Okay, the patties are looking good. It's just time to flip them over so they can cook on the second side. These little burger bites are so great and they're so versatile. They're fun to serve for a small dinner with your favorite niece, of course. They're great for any sort of big game on TV, but they're also really fun if you want to kind of step up the hors d'oeuvre angle at a cocktail party. The other cool thing about these burger bites is there are no buns involved, so if you're trying to kind of watch your carbs, it's a good alternative, and trust me, you will not miss the bun at all. As if these cute little burger patties aren't enough, I'm gonna put cute little squares of cheddar cheese on each one. I'm actually doubling up and doing 2 pieces. They're pretty thin, and these are bacon cheeseburger bites after all, so I wanna make good on that promise. The patties aren't gonna take too long to cook through, so I'm gonna put the lid on, and that'll help the cheese melt. The cheese is perfectly melted. It pretty much just enveloped the whole burger bite. It's leaving a little bit behind in the skillet, but most of it is on the burger bite, and that's exactly what I want. Imagine having a party. You could have 2 or 3 skillets of these going on. Just put them on a huge platter. They are so crowd-pleasing and niece-pleasing and aunt-pleasing. Okay, now I have a whole bunch of fun things to put on top. I'm gonna start with probably the most important thing, piece of bacon. And then I'm gonna use spinach for the greens for the burger. And then you gotta have pickles. It's a rule when it comes to bacon cheeseburgers. I feel very strongly about this. And then I'm gonna do a little dollop of mustard. You can do mayonnaise, ketchup, whatever your burger condiment preference is. And then half of a cherry tomato. Oh my gosh, the cutest little burger bite ever.